Hello, welcome to RJW News. Today we got a new project. Trying to what the refrigerator says. Okay? So, here. Smack me down. Step 1. First, you go to the kitchen. And then, guess what? The fridge is close to the pantry, so it's electricity. So, here I go. Here you go. Can I have an Oreo? Ah, dang it. Why is something wrong with the wrong fridge? Can I have goldfish? Okay. Can I have popcorn? Can I have some Nutella? Not healthy. Can I have a granola bar? Not healthy. Let's check in the freezer. Oh, God. Can I have waffles? Not healthy. This is not fair. Can I have soft pretzel? Taco Bell commercial. Can I have Uncle Ben? SVOL macaroni and cheese? Not healthy. Can I have some orange sherbet? Not healthy. Get out of here. Oh, gee. Try the refrigerator. If they don't say, if they say, I swear to God. Can I have apple? Not healthy. Huh. I hope I can try anything. Can I have some Fiji? Not healthy. Can I have some orange juice? Not healthy. I just got an idea. The fridge doesn't like music. She doesn't like JoJo Siwa. Alexa, play Worldwide Party.
Worldwide Party by JoJo Siwa from Spotify.
Everybody from the east to the west coast. Ah! Fine, you can have all the food. Yeah! What should I have? Biscuits. Can I have some pickles? Not healthy. Get out of here. I'm just looking. Jeez. Here's some. Can I have this Echo Show? Beer. No way, I'm not having that. Can I have bananas? Not healthy. Can I have some drinks? No, not healthy. This is getting ridiculous. Until Wednesday. I think we gotta fix it. Can I sweep? Let's sweep the fridge. Here, you can watch me. That's where the fridge starts. Let's see. Hey, can I have that picture? That's me. Jeez. Can you have some yogurt? You can have lunch stuff. You can have gross stuff. Fine, can I have some bacon? It's so good. I can't. See you later. Sorry, I got to fix this kitchen.